It's so hot today. I feel so uncomfortable just lying here. Hey, Sophia. It's so hot here. I feel like I'm melting in my own house. Same here. It's unbearable. I can't even sit still. Why don't we go swimming? The pool must be really cool right now. That sounds really nice, but I'm not sure. My mom might not allow me. Just ask her. We'll only go for a short time. Okay, wait for me. I'll ask her now. Mom, can I go to the pool with Zoe?
No, not now. It's too hot outside.
But Mom, I really want to go.
Wait for your dad. He will take you later.
My mom said no. She told me to wait for my dad. Come on, Sophia. Just a quick trip. She won't know. I don't know. She will be upset. Please. I don't want to go alone. We'll be fast. Okay. I'll go quickly. Mom won't know. She is busy. She won't come out right now. I hope this won't be a bad idea. I will be back soon. Just for a little while. And then I'll come home quickly.
Maybe I heard something. It's probably nothing.
Oh. What was that sound? Please don't come out. Please stay in your room. Just a few minutes. I will be careful and come back before she knows. Okay, let's go. I just need to be quick and careful. Did she see you? Or did you come out without her knowing? No, I don't think so. I tried to be really quiet. Relax, Sophia. It's just the pool. Nothing bad is going to happen. We have to come back fast, before my mom notices I'm gone. Of course. We'll be quick, and no one will know. Okay, let's go, but we need to be careful. It's so quiet here. I thought there would be more people. Yeah, it feels a little too quiet for this time of day. Maybe everyone is staying inside because it's too hot. I don't see anyone at all. It's kind of strange. Don't worry, we're almost there. It's just a short walk. I don't know. I have a strange feeling about this. Did you hear that? It sounded like something moved.
It's just the wind, Sophia. You're overthinking it.
Maybe we should go back? I don't feel good about this. No way! We're already close. Don't stop now. Come on, just a little more. You'll feel better when we get there. Okay. Wow, look at that! The water looks so cool! Yeah, it looks really nice. I've been thinking about this all day.
Stop. No adults, no entry.
Whoa. We're just here to swim for a bit. We won't stay long. This is so annoying. I told you. Maybe we shouldn't come. Or we can try another way. No. What do you mean? See? No one is here. This place feels strange. We can get in from there. I don't think we should do this. What if someone sees us? Come on, we're already here. I'll go first. Watch me. Be careful, We shouldn't be doing this, Bat. Relax. We're almost inside. Someone's there! Quick, hide! This feels really wrong. I don't think we should have come here at all. Just a little more. We did it! I can't believe it! See? I told you we could make it. Yeah, but it still feels kind of strange here. No, see? It's perfect! Yeah, it really does, but it's so quiet here, it's kind of making me uneasy. Deep water, no lifeguard. That's fine. Maybe we should stay near the edge. Nothing will happen. Come on, the water is great. Okay, just for a bit. Sophia? Where are you? Sophia? Sophia? Answer me! That's strange. The pool? Sophia said she wanted to go there earlier. Oh no!
I'm home. Everything okay? It's really quiet in here.
No, Marcus, something's wrong. I'm scared. I can't find Sophia. I've looked everywhere. She's not here. I think she went swimming, even though I didn't agree.
You really think so?
Come on, let's go. We need to find her.
Hurry!
Hurry!
Don't waste a second.
Wow, it actually feels really nice out here. I didn't realize the water would be this refreshing. Wait, I can't touch the bottom. It's much deeper than I thought. I can't stand it. The water's too deep. Ow! Help! Somebody help! Help! She's drowning! I can't breathe.
It's okay, you're safe now. Just breathe slowly, in and out, and you're okay.
I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. I told you to come here. I was so scared. Sophia! Oh my God, what happened?
Are you okay? Talk to me, please.
It's okay, Sophia. I'm sorry. I didn't listen. I shouldn't have come here. We'll talk about it later. It's all right.
They entered without permission. There were no adults with them. We understand. We're really sorry about this.
This is my fault. I shouldn't have come here without telling you.
It's dangerous, Sophia. You could have gotten seriously hurt.
We were really worried about you, Annette, and we couldn't find you anywhere.
Next time, I'll take you to the swimming pool.
I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have gone in without asking.
It's okay, but you have to remember, this was very dangerous.
You should always tell an adult and never go alone. That's how you stay safe. Yes, I remember now. Let's go home.